meet you.
Mr. President.
Welcome to the White House. Come on up here. This is an important month here in America. A lot of our Asian American friends have been subject to real discrimination. Hate only hides. When good people talk about it and say how bad it is, it goes down. So thank you.
We want to say thank you sincerely for your decision, such as signing the COVID-19 Hate Crimes Act into law. So we just want to be a little help, and we truly appreciate the White House and the government's trying to find solutions.
People care a lot about what you say, and what you're doing is good for all people. It's not just your great talent, it's the message you're communicating. It matters.
And it is a great honor to be invited to the White House today to discuss the important issues of anti-Asian hate crimes, Asian inclusion, and diversity.
BTS! 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 BTS!
It would be a big deal to see them. It would also be great to show that they recognize that we've come out here today to support their message about fighting back against anti-Asian hate and non-bias against all peoples.